Today I'm gonna show you guys something really crazy. I used an AI tool to create this VHS and CRT effect. But the wild part is, I actually built that AI tool using AI itself. So now you're not just using effects anymore, you can literally create your own effect tools. I told the system to make me a VHS CRT-style effect tool, and with just a few prompts, it generated this entire interface. It even created a full effect control panel automatically. You can tweak things like distortion, glitch, blur, scanlines, and a bunch of other settings to get completely different looks. I also asked it to create ready-made presets, and as you can see, it generated those too. By playing around with the settings, you can get some really unique and professional-looking results. And honestly, the best part is this. You can turn your own ideas into actual AI-powered effect tools. In the export section, you can change the video duration, FPS, and other render settings before exporting. To set it up, just go to the homepage and click on Build a Tool. After that, describe the effect you want. For this example, I just wrote random prompts to test it out, but the more detailed you are, the better the results will be. Now yeah, sometimes it still makes mistakes, but what's interesting is that it can actually fix a lot of its own errors by itself. I think this is insanely useful, especially for editors and content creators. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and follow for more.